Yes, yes, I saw. And did you all not see? I actually shared this with you. In the sense, I did this. I hold on. What did I was saying?
Did you see mine?
Did I see yours? Okay. Why don't I show you a screenshot of what I saw? Correct. Okay. So one, give me a minute. I can. Everybody, you can start the recording on. All right. So before I start, here is a little exercise for your brains now. Today we're going to do a lot about electrical appliances. And yes, I did see your assignments. Some of you did. Only 6 students have applied to it. See, the entire picture shows a very simple thing. Today, our house is dependent on electricity. Our
Sir,
laptops, yes.
I have sent you private. I didn't understood.
What do
And
you
I
want?
don't have circuit also at home.
No, you don't need circuit at home. What you need, Anas, is that Anas who's asking a question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Anas,
sir.
Anas, all you have to do is, like, for example, I requested the Aisha's also last week that just have to watch the last week's flipped classroom. A circuit is a close connection, Anas. And last week, what I taught you is when you have right circuit, like positives with positive, there's a wire connecting to the batteries positive, another wire from the negative. A complete circuit is what we're asking. So all I request you, Anas, is please watch the recording. I'll share the recording again with you. Yes, it is already there on the YouTube channel for Golden Sparrow Hub Schooling. And just watch it once. It's very simple. It's like drawing a complete circuit. See, the word circuit, what does the word look like? Which which shape does circuit looks like?
Pear.
Yeah?
Square.
Square, okay. Go ahead, give me another word.
Circle.
Circle. Don't you see there's similarity? Circle, circuit. The words are similar, the letters are similar. Circuit completes a circle. That's what it means. Something that is completely connected on us is what a circuit is. Will you be able to do the assignment now? Yes, I
Yes.
can show you the assignment, and then maybe if you have time, I'll spend some time with you to explain what the assignment looks like. All right. So I will give you 5 minutes to explain the assignment after the end of the class. Before we go ahead, a little bit of word anagram. You have to rearrange these words to name the famous scientists. Come on, all the scientists out here. There are big letters out there. Tell me the name of the scientist hidden in the words.
Second one. I know the second.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander
Okay.
Graham Bell and Thomas Edison.
All right, good. So fantastic. I know Mohammed said the second one. Was that right? So Alexander Graham Bell. So there you are, Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, and now see, how did you get it? You didn't even have to decode it. The moment you learn about these scientists, the moment you see it, you know, both of them have something to do with electricity. Of course, today telephone is on the same transmission wires.
Phone was invented by Alexander.
Yes, remember Bell, Ghandi, and Alexander Graham Bell. And Thomas Edison is someone who is actually we are more indebted to because he invented the electric bulb, the first bulb that we know of. And these are scientists that we respect and grow because they are some amazing people that we are thinking of. However, today is a very simple exercise. I'm going to teach you about electrical appliances and non-electrical appliances and how they use their power, the main power or the battery power. That's all. It's one of the most easy electrical part that you do, but the more you do, the more fun you have got. And I'm enjoying it. Now, those who are asking about the assignment, well, there are 11 of you whose assignment has been given to. That's the right group's number, and only 6 have returned it. So the 6 that have returned it, congratulations to Hamdan Fazlani. Yeah, Abdullah Patel already smiling, but that's his name right there. The Rizwanis, Ibrahim and Yahya, Umar Sharif and Juwaria. All right, the only girl in the group. You kept the girl's name. Otherwise, I'm about to shout all the girls. The rest of you have to submit your assignment. So every week I'll remind you that.
Sir, I did my assignment.
Abdullah, I named you also. Your name is already there, right? The ones whose names are there are the ones who have done your assignments. The ones, so you all are complete circuit. A circuit. Hamdan, Abdullah, Ibrahim, Yahya, complete circuit. Umar and Juwaria. These are complete circuit. All the incomplete circuits are also there. Aisha Qazi, Muhammad Saqib, Anas Momin, your incomplete circuit, right? Muhammad Muhammadi, full incomplete. I think, you know, there's a story about, there's this, what is this hero? Delilah or Samson. Yeah, Samson. Samson had his entire intelligence and beauty in his hairs. Once you cut the hairs, the Samson is no more. Muhammadi, is that right? After he cut his hair, yeah, the parents forced you to cut his hair. Poor boy, see?
Well, you told hairs, not hair.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It should be hair, right? The hair. All right. Rushda, where is your assignment?
Samson is a cricket player also.
Oh, yes. Yes, Samson is a cricket player.
Samson.
Right. Aisha Aga, did you watch the electricity assignment I requested you to watch last week?
Yes, I watched.
Good. So please complete the assignment now. See, the assignment is very simple one. By the way, some of you only did half the assignment. I accepted it. You did not draw 2 new circuits I asked you to draw. So the ones who have not drawn, please draw 2 new circuits. You don't have to show it to me. A complete circuit and an incomplete circuit. Can you do that, all of you?
I did both, sir. I did.
Yeah, yeah. One of you, 2 of you only did completely.
I also did both.
Yes, yes, Ibrahim. Only few of you didn't. Mohammed Saqib, will you do the assignment today itself? Don't wait. Just do it today. Yeah.
Sir,
So-
I did it both complete.
Good, good. No, no. Some of you did it. Some of you only did 1 page.
Sir, I
Whatever-
did it.
Yeah, good, good. I'm thankful for helping me. But the more you do the assignment, Hamza, will you complete it today, the assignment? Yeah, okay. He's nodding his head. All right, Hamza. Good. Fantastic. So let's go to today's task, the core task. And again, I'm going to make you the breakout rooms. And maybe this time, can I request you to get your science books with you? Can you all take a minute and get your science textbooks if you have? Or a book.
By
of-
a request, we are already ready.
You're ready. Oh, wow. You all are nice. You can even a pen and a paper is good. Like Mohammed Saqib, there's a PDF for you, so you may not have the book with you. So a pen and a paper is enough. Okay. Just a pen and a paper is also enough for you. All right. So I'm giving a minute to you. So getting it, I can see some of you not
I
on your
need to get.
science textbook, Aisha. Yeah, that's the Aisha Qazi showing it. Perfectly, the green color one. What's on the cover, Aisha? Is it a plant, some fungus? What is on the cover?
It's some kind of bug or something that's climbing us.
Yeah, it's a microbe. All right.
Sir,
Rushda, Anas.
Shabana ma'am gave an assignment of the textbook till page number 51 or something. But in the middle, certain topics we have not understood.
It's okay. Now we have, we'll keep following a textbook a little by little, not too much of it. So just I wanted you to keep the textbook. Remember unit
number what?
Yeah, unit 5, Aisha. Go to unit 5. I don't have the textbook with me. Unit 5 is called circuit. Go back and show the unit 5. It's called circuit. So go to
Page
unit
number
5.
95.
Okay, thank you. Open up and show me. I can see that. All right. Show me, Aisha.
96.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So you need to. Is that the
Unit
circuit?
5 making circuits.
All right. Yeah. Just a.
Sir, which page?
Yeah. 96. She says. So I trust. you.
96.
Okay.
96.
All right. That's it. Now you need to read these 2 pages as we go ahead. Okay. Not now. Not now. As a part of your assignment, you'll read it. So tick mark. Put a mark on it so I know that you're coming. And Juwaria, can you be kind enough and come and give me the textbook so I can just have a look at it. Okay. So I will just get the textbook. All right.
We have to read this chapter.
No. You don't. Yeah, you have to read the chapter. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So what we have done so far is turn to page number 98.
97.
Yeah. 97 is just an introduction. 96, 97 introduction. It's okay. We already did 96 and 97. See, we did. What is the? Imagine a world without electricity. Remember what 2 countries did I show you? North and South.
No, North and South Korea.
Great. 98 is a page that you have to read now. Okay, we already did that. This is where once you develop a circuit, so the ones who were not sure what a circuit looks like in real, see there's a very nice picture of the circuit out there. Let me close it for a minute, I can show you. Okay, I can trim myself also. Don't worry, if you don't have the book Mohammed Saqib as PDF, ask me immediately, I will show you, okay? So simple, you have to read the page, that's the page you have to read. Skip page number 99, you don't have to read page number 99. You have to just again read 100 and 101. We have already done this. You already done a brilliant assignment. So we've completed it. That's why I'm showing you. Okay. All right. You have completed 100 and 101. These 2 pages are done. So I'm going to anyway write it down in your assignment in your Google Classroom. So we have done almost half of a chapter of circuits. That's all. Okay. So today we are going to do something else, and then when I finish it, I'll show you what I've done. You can collect your book, but remember, we've done almost half of a chapter, and I wrote down, I will also give you the page number. So today, 100 and 101 is the page that you have to read. It's on circuit, you already read it. If you have done your assignment, this is very easy. Just run through it. You can mark, you can circle, you can whatever you want to do. That's all I want you to do. Okay, page 100 and 101 is your assignment plus whatever I'm going to give you today. Today we are going to talk about electrical appliances. What's an appliance is the question. What's an appliance? Any appliance. Appliance is any device, any instrument, any equipment designed to perform a task. Like even a pen is an appliance. A pen. Why is a pen appliance? Can Muhammad explain to me? Muhammad, can you explain why is pen an appliance?
Pen is an appliance because some pens are electric pens.
Okay, no, Muhammad, I'm not even looking at electric or non-electric. All right, all I'm looking at
Because-
anything. Yeah, Aisha Aga, go ahead.
Because pen is they are used in daily life.
Okay, hold on. Thank you, Muhammad. Aisha Aga, answer that.
Pen is a thing that we use.
We use simple as that,
and
right?
we can touch. And we
Okay,
can touch.
so what do you?
It
Yes.
is designed and has a task to lift ink, and we can write with that.
A book cannot be an appliance, all right, because it is not performing a task, something that gives you a task. For example, I show two pictures here. A washing machine is performing the task of washing clothes, correct? Right? So that is why it is an appliance. A washing machine is performing a task, and now okay, Rushda. Okay, it's easy one, so I'll go to who else should I go? Okay, Rushda, since I asked you, is it electrical, non-electrical washing machine? Patel, are you there? Someone was asking, so go ahead. Go ahead.
But I have
Yes,
a
sir.
thermometer that you
What?
digital.
Yes, so digital one. So go ahead. The moment you have a digital appliance, so that becomes an electrical appliance, a thermometer with a digital. The moment you put a battery into it, is battery electrical, Yahya Rizwani?
Yes, sir.
What kind of electricity does battery give us?
DC.
Oh, perfect. What is the full form of DC, Ibrahim?
I don't know.
I don't know. No. DC doesn't stand for I don't know. Okay, Humaira Qasim, tell me what the full form of DC. Okay, Aisha Qazi. DC, come on, DC. Yeah, okay, go ahead. Yeah, yes.
Supply.
What supply?
Digi.
Okay,
Sir, please, can I?
okay, yes, go ahead. Yeah. Which one?
Direct.
Direct current. Are you sure? Not Dada current? All right, DC is direct current. Ibrahim, can you tell me, repeat now, what is DC?
Direct current.
Direct current. Juwaria, what is the opposite of DC then?
Non-direct.
Non-direct. I like that intelligent, smart answer. What,
Can I say?
yeah, Muhammad Saki, what is the opposite of
AC.
DC? AC.
AC.
What's the full form of AC, Hamdan? Umar?
Accurate current.
Okay, I like the answers. Abdullah, AC is full form? No, okay. Anybody?
Automatic current.
Automatic current, interesting. I like the answers. Very interesting
Air
answers. You are
conditioner.
already scientists. Okay, Aisha, thank you so much. That's brilliant answer, by the way. Alternating current. So DC is
Automatic
direct.
circuit.
So,
Instead of AC, there should be Marvel and DC. No?
Marvel and DC, look at that. So see, DC will go like this. The DC's line will just go straight. AC will go like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. I also like to annotate, right? So this is AC and DC. So next time you remember, AC and DC currents are alternative current and direct current. So any device that uses any current is an electrical appliance. That's all I'm asking you to do. Today we're going to find out at least how many electrical appliances are in your house. Remember, I told you, anything that performs a task. So a calendar is not a device or an instrument because it is not performing. It's a static one. It's in a standard there. But anything that you use for performing a task, for doing something with it. Okay, chair could be a device for that matter because a chair helps us to perform what task? A task of sitting down. So that's also an appliance. Perhaps
And
we'll check out.
relaxing
We'll check out
also.
the
What
definition of
is an
relaxing also.
appliance? What does it mean?
Okay, appliance is that's what the definition is. Anything, just remember, simply anything that helps you do something. Okay, anything that helps you do something in appliance. So, like a washing machine helps you wash clothes. A thermometer helps you check the temperature. You know, a table helps you keep things on it.
So everything is appliance.
Everything is an appliance that helps you do something.
Even
Now,
sun.
So no, now sun is not an appliance. Something that is in your house that you're using it right now that we're doing. Sun
Towel
is
is also an appliance.
towel is an appliance. All right,
Wash
check
the
it.
to swipe the water on.
Okay, towel is something that you use to swipe water. All right. So
House is an appliance. House is an
how can house be an appliance? It is not. Is it an instrument? Is it? So remember, when I ask you about the appliance, you have to ask me if this appliance is a device, a piece of equipment, or an instrument. Sun is not a device, right? Sun. Okay, hold on. I'll come back to you. Sun is not a piece of equipment.
watch is
not
a
an
watch
instrument.
is a watch is an
Brilliant.
appliance.
Okay, hold your answer because I'm going to do a task with you again. Again, you're going to remember I asked you to bring a paper pen. Yesterday's breakout, there were a lot of chaos in one team. Everybody was the captain. Everybody was speaking, isn't it? Today's breakout room, we'll have a little fun. I'm going to make you the 3 breakout rooms today. And what you have to do in today's breakout room is you'll tell me what
Sir, do it mix.
Yeah, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it randomly. The reason I do it randomly is because
Say the breakout room to only do it
as in,
automatically.
yeah, that's exactly. I'll do automatically. What you have to do
What
is
you said automatically.
no, automatically. All right. So what you have to do in a breakout room is I'm going to come and see your breakout room, and this is your formative itself. You're going to learn how to work in a team. Each one of you will share your ideas of I want the more appliances. So I want you to give me minimum 10 electrical appliance, 10 non-electrical appliance. All right. And then we'll decide if you chose electrical or non-electrical appliance. Anything that is electrical, non-electrical, we'll find out. Remember, anything that is like complete cloth is not an appliance, by the way. Or complete paper is not an appliance. Why? Because it is not a device, it is not an instrument. Remember that, okay? So that is why your calendar, your towel is not an appliance. Okay, Rushda, I'm repeating what I just said. I'm going to make you into yes. Yeah, pencil, pen, anything is fine. Okay, yeah, possibly, yes. Pencil is an appliance. So I'm going to make you, again, break you to breakout rooms of 3s now. So you might be in random breakout rooms. So we got 15 students excluding me. So you will be around 5 or 4 in a group and you're going to talk to one another. And it's okay, Aisha. You'll be in one breakout room as long as you can hear me. And you have to give me 10 electrical and 10 non-electrical appliance. Someone's yawning. What's happening with all of you? Come on.
Sir, do we have to write it in the spiral book?
Yeah, you can write in spiral book. It's better you write it together and one of you can read it. Yeah, we need paper and pen. One of you have a paper and pen is good enough. I will give you some time. Let me open my breakout rooms and I'm going to make 3 breakout rooms, all of you. Around 4 or 5 people in one breakout room. Are you all ready?
So decide who's the captain.
10 electrical appliances and 10 non-electrical appliances.
Yes, absolutely. 10 electrical and 10 non-electrical appliances. All right?
We have to Figure out 10 electrical appliances and 10 non.
Yes, yes. You have to ask each other. You have to decide which one it is. And then after you finish 10, you can add more. Okay. The qualifying is 10. But if you add more, the team that gives me most is a winner. For every correct, I give you 2 points. For every incorrect, I'll give you 1 point minus. Are you ready for the breakout rooms, everybody? Let me see.
Sir, whichever team contains most points in the end.
Yes, is the winner. Right, exactly. But minimum 10 you have to come up anyway. So 10, 10, 20,
Okay.
you're right. Okay, yes, Aisha. Electric, no, all of you. You have to do both, Aisha. Electrical and non-electrical. Yeah. So total is 10, right? So 5 electrical, 5 non-electrical, you write down. Once you do 5, you qualify. Now, more you add, the more you win. Perfect. Everybody.
We can add more also. We can
Yes,
add more
yes,
also.
you have to add more.
From each team, one person has to write.
Yes, one team, one person has to write. That's all. Okay, others will discuss.
Just appliances.
Yeah, just electrical and non-electrical both, Hamdan. Okay. All right. Your teams are random. All the best. I open the breakout room now.
Listen to me. First choose the captain, then we'll go ahead. Abdullah will be the captain then. Who will write? Aisha Aga will write. Aisha Aga, will you write?
Okay, let me just get.
And I will tell you the appliances because I have really big appliances. And Abdullah, you are the captain, so you will tell if it's okay or not and what to write or what not to write. Alright?
First write power bank, charger, speaker, microphone, iPhone, one.
Ruko, bus, Muhammad. So many things you have to do. Okay. First let her bring her book and write. Then you start, Muhammad. I have many non-electrical appliances, cupboard, and then bed. Now, Aisha Aga, you have to write what Muhammad is saying now, and I'll send it in the chat if I get some. Hamza and this guy. What is this guy's name? Hamza. Yes.
Keyboard, mouse, USB, pen drive.
Power bank, phone. Tell that. Power bank, phone.
What you are saying?
Okay.
Adapter.
See, in one you.
I made 2 columns. One is for.
Yes, you make 2 columns. One is electrical appliances, one is non-electrical appliances. Then in the electrical appliances, write the electrical appliances, and in the non-electrical appliances.
You are telling me.
Yes.
Tell.
Okay.
Tell for electrical.
Okay. Power bank, adapter.
What?
Power bank,
Hamza, can I have your screen on, please?
adapter.
You are telling for non or
Electrical appliances.
power bank and
Power bank, then adapter. ADA.
webcam.
PTOR. Adapter. Note.
Webcam. Yes, then
Webcam.
digital watch.
Then digital watch.
Speaker.
Mohammed is doing everything. Digital watch, speaker. I send everything in the chat. Speaker. Write speaker. I sent everything in the chat. What I got. Yes. Write speaker and write.
Done.
Phone.
5 are done. 1, 2.
I
Power bank, adapter, huh?
We have to write. We can write many because sir tell who
Okay,
will
but
have-
first finish the non one and then write more.
Okay, non-one is cupboard, bed.
Bed doesn't help you. It helps you.
Yeah, yes, it helps me sleeping. He in the shop, you know that they send
So after I
they
think
to
that
the
will not
tell and
help
it shows the price like this, and then he's putting up names.
Acha, see, put cupboard, right? Cupboard, then door. It helps you keep.
No, you have to write that doesn't help you.
Array,
You only write what helps.
you have to write what appliances help. What helps you?
What doesn't help us?
Cupboard, right? Cupboard.
Yeah, cupboard helps us in storing food.
And telephone coming that cupboard. Then bed. See,
Soap, shower,
it
geyser.
is non-electrical appliance and electrical appliance. So you write bed also, bed, because it helps you sleep.
Where? And you write geyser and shower. It helps you take a bath. It helps you in taking a bath.
That will come in that. What do we say?
Tell non
Water, right? Water.
and no.
Water. Food.
Water, food,
Medicines.
Yes, medicines also.
medicine.
In non apply.
Medicine, food. Clothes.
Pencil.
Yes, pencil, clothes, eraser, sharpener.
Guys, you have 2 minutes. Write some more. I think this is a team that is doing very good. I see the number. What is
Keyboard, phone.
what is it? It's a charger. Power.
You can put movies and documents
Oh,
this also.
cool. Good, Mohammed. Good. Okay, 2 minutes. You're right.
Any more?
Or Hamdan. Yeah, Hamdan. A horse is not an electrical appliance.
Ask right.
Keyboard, phone.
Francis like what? Right
See
hand.
the chat.
The writing responsibility. Okay, you got 2 minutes.
See
Yeah,
the
she's
chat.
doing good. All right. I'll get another two minutes and I'm going to close the breakout room. So guys, go ahead. Okay.
See the chat, Aisha.
Microwave.
Wrote a lot of them.
Microwave, oven, AC remote. I've written all of them.
Oven, then
Keyboard and clock.
computer, laptops, TV.
You are saying of electrical one, no?
Yes.
Laptop.
Then write towel also. Towel, it helps you get off your bed.
And
Bag also, bag.
non-electrical.
Yes. Towel, bag in non-electrical. Clothes in non-electrical. Books also in non-electrical. Shoes also. Helps you off. Shoes. Cars. Cars and non-electrical cars.
Non-electrical or electrical?
Both. You write in both. Cars. Write helmet also. Helmet and bike. Helmet in non-electrical appliances and bike in both.
Welcome back. The rooms are over. Good to see all of you back. Oh, I missed you so much, guys.
Sir, the timer didn't came.
Yeah,
No,
the
this-
timer didn't came.
I know. I'm so sorry. This time I removed the timer. I wanted to be like a sudden electrical shock to all of you. All right, but good. All right. Now my team one. You don't know team one, so I'll keep making names. I saw 3 people writing the names. So there's team Aisha Aga. Okay, that's one team was writing. There's team Ibrahim Rizwani. The other team that was writing, and the other team was Yahya Rizwani. Is that right? Okay. Can I go to each one of you? Yahya Rizwani. How many electrical? How many non-electrical? Tell me the numbers first. All of you count. Aisha count, Ibrahim count. I want the names now. Yeah, Ibrahim. Yeah, tell me.
I have written 13 electrical and 13 non-electrical. And Rushda has also written
Okay,
I've written 11.
Rushda, what's 11? Number 11 or electrical knowledge or general?
Electrical.
Electrical 11 electrical, but it's the same thing from your team, then you get cross, right? So when Ibrahim says, you take them off so you don't repeat the same. All right, I'll only count 13, and if Rushda adds on, I'm okay with it. But I
no,
want
sir, Rushda has written more 4 extra.
no, that's okay. 4 extra. All right, so I'll accept that. Aisha Aga, how many have you? Come on, quickly. I want you to count. Ibrahim, tell me before Aisha says.
21 electrical and 31 non-electrical.
21 and 31. Interesting. Okay, Aisha Aga, did you get it? Now,
12,
okay, 12
12
and-
non-electrical and
12
11
electrical, I'll accept.
electrical.
Okay, good, good. I like the numbers that are written. Now the game starts, the fun starts. Each one of you, I'll keep going that, and you will repeat a name. And if it's in your screen, if it's in your notebook, you cancel it. So we'll see how many are non-standing. All right. So I'm going to start the list I have written down, and I'll tell you if you have written down, you're going to cancel it so you don't repeat after the same names again. Washing machine, cancel it. All right. So keep canceling. All the boys and the girls, you keep canceling it. Mobile phone. Anyone's written mobile phone, washing machine. So just, you don't have to repeat it. Okay. Microwave, TV, a tablet, a fan. Oh, have anyone written fan and electrical part?
Me.
Yes, I wrote. Yes,
I
I
also
wrote.
wrote.
Good. All right, good. Okay, this is interesting. So can I go?
Sir, and phone is same.
No, they're two different things. I'll accept them as two different things. Okay. So tablet and phone could be two different things. Very good.
We have to
Okay,
cut.
Ibrahim, tell
We
me
have to
three
cut
electrical
iPad.
parts. No. iPad is like a brand name, right? A tablet and iPad are same thing. Okay, Ibrahim, tell me 3 things on your list that others can just confirm if it's there or not.
Hair dryer,
That's good.
toaster,
Mhm.
and that trampoline.
No, only electrical now. Trampoline is electrical.
I'm sorry, mixer.
Mixer. Okay. Aisha Aga, repeat any 3 that is not there in others list. Quickly unmute and speak up.
Power bank,
Oh, that's good.
adapter,
Uh-huh.
and webcam.
Okay. Wow, webcam. I like that answer. That's... Okay, who was the other one?
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Ibrahim, did you
Yeah.
write that power bank?
Yes, I wrote power bank.
Okay, so you cancel it. If it's there, you cancel it. All right. Yahya, tell me. Yahya.
Filter,
Filter.
iron.
Okay. All right. And geyser. Wow, these are smart ones. Okay.
We
Any-
also wrote iron.
Yes, we
Okay,
also.
that's good. So you keep cutting it. So all the names are there if you're there. Okay. Some of you may have some other different one. Anyone else want to add something? Rushda, Mohammed, you want to add something to it? Juwaria, Anas?
Can I add?
Wait a minute. Can I go to others? So when they add, if it's there, you cancel it. If it's not there, I want how many have you put unique ones? Okay, go ahead, Mohammed. CD player. Okay, good. Rushda, want to add something from your list? Unmute. All right.
Toaster and
Good. Let's go
sandwich
to
maker.
sandwich maker. I like the sandwich maker. That's interesting. Okay. All right. Here you go. Can I go to non-electrical? Go ahead. All the scribes, the one who have written the
I
scribes.
still have electrical appliance.
Go ahead, Aisha. Repeat. Tell me.
Digital watch.
I want to add more in electric. And I
Okay,
also.
That's good. Aisha. So Aisha,
Non-electrical appliance.
non-electrical though. So all of you have electrical. I keep going to switching on, but I think Ibrahim, Steve, 31 non-electrical. My goodness. Okay, Ibrahim, rattle off 10 quickly. Go ahead.
Means I need to say 10.
Yeah, quickly. First 10.
Towel, chair, plate, bottle, glass, tissue, book, pen, pencil, sharpener, eraser, scale, cycle, paper, pillow, toy gun, cap, sunglasses, skateboard, t-shirts, umbrella, table, whiteboard,
Boy, good,
dustbin.
good. I like it. Dustbin. I like the dustbin part of it. Remember, I told you paper is not an appliance, neither is a towel. Other than that, really good names, very smart names. Who wants to go next with non-appliance?
Me.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Who was the first? Me?
Sir, I have written more.
No, I know, but we have time for so much, but you're doing good. As long as you understand it, that's what I want to. Aisha Kazi wants to write something from Yaya's team. Okay, Aisha Kazi, I give you the opportunity. Go ahead.
An electrical, it can be potato peel because it
Okay.
can generate electricity.
Okay, potato, but using peeler, right? The moment you use a battery or a connection, it becomes electrical. You can generate electricity from a lot of things, even from pencil sharpeners, but that's not the point. You can burn it and then heat electricity comes out. Remember, anything that uses a battery or the power source is the electrical part. All right, so far you did.
Ibrahim.
Okay, now I have Muhammad. Yeah, Muhammad.
Also, can I say
Yeah, go ahead, Aisha Aga.
food, water, cupboard, food, medicine, bag, shoes, cars, helmet, and bike.
Okay, I like that, but remember, food is not an appliance, nor is medicine. Okay, food and medicine are not appliance is something. Okay, so think of it. Appliance is something that you use. Okay, not that you consume. So remember, the difference between an appliance is a food, a towel, or a paper is not an appliance. They're more like accessories. Remember that. Otherwise, you're doing very good. Here is what is anything that uses any of these two, the main and the electricity is an appliance. I think you all are doing brilliant with your appliances. You all had some good answers to what I'm asking you. Right. So anything that goes to the socket or anything that uses a battery is an appliance. Now I've got a task to tell you. So you know, so far anyone wants to add something, you can tell me.
I add on electrical. Power does not use socket.
Okay.
So how is it appliance?
Sir, I have. First,
But
we need to charge the
good
power
question.
bank,
Hold
and
on.
then from it we can charge the mobile
Yes.
phones and the iPads.
Right? So there is a charge inside Muhammad. The moment you charge it, it's an electrical appliance. Correct? Use it. So that's not an
My
appliance. Yes,
electrical
go ahead.
appliance is Kindle.
I have three non-electrical appliance that no one has written.
Tell me.
Specs, mobile stand, and a platform
What's platform?
where we sit.
Okay, a platform. Again, a platform. See, an electric appliance is something. Okay, so maybe we're just getting a little confused with appliance. Something that's an instrument. So let me put that very simple. Is it a device? Is it an equipment or an instrument? So platform is not an instrument or a device. Correct? So you'll not use platform. Other than that, both are correct. A spec is good. It's a good example. Anyone? From the numbers that I see, it's Ibrahim Rizwani's team. They got 31 in non-appliances, which is good number. As long as you all got what I wanted to do, I'm happy with it. In fact, Yahiya's team got almost 25 together. Ibrahim's team got 52, and Aisha Aga's team got around 33. So good enough. It's good. The numbers are good. But that's exactly what we're trying to do today. You are learning a lot about appliances. You're learning a lot about things around the house. And this is a start of your journey. Now, what I want you to do in today's class, and I want to have so many examples and games and all, this is, are you learning about electricity in a better way? You got something new? Okay, you got a unique one. What's the unique one, Aisha Aga?
I'm asking who got.
Okay, so no, I always believe that it's always not about winning and losing. I think in terms of numbers, Ibrahim's team got a lot of numbers out there, but as long as you understood what an appliance is, right? A fan for that matter, a fan is an electrical appliance. So now quickly ask each one of your question and you tell me, is it AC is, one we use battery, one we doesn't use a battery. Jueria, torch, AC, DC.
AC. DC.
AC. Muhammadi, a swing machine.
AC, it sockets.
Okay. Okay. Anas Momin, iPad.
iPad AC. No, DC.
Okay, good. iPad. Okay,
Sir,
all right.
iPad is
Now
both
this is interesting.
AC and DC,
Okay.
sir, both.
Yes, good. Abdullah, thank you so much. So, Muhammadi, you had a question, right? So, this is the answer I use without the charge AC and DC because it has a battery inside also and it uses current also. For example, a mobile phone. Mobile phone has a battery inside, but it needs to be charged. So, this is called rechargeable batteries. By the way, rechargeable battery very dangerous. You know that? The rechargeable batteries can explode, which is why you don't overcharge them. Now they have circuit breakers. So once they reach 100%, it automatically stops charging. But earlier, the rechargeable batteries are very, very dangerous one. Yahya Rizwani, quickly tell me, toothbrush, AC, DC?
No one.
Okay, no. Quickly.
None. It's a non-electrical appliance.
Are you sure candle has electric heat energy? Isn't it?
Yeah, but it's a non-electrical.
Okay, good. All right, smart answer. Hamza, microwave. Hamza, quickly.
Sir, DC is what and
Okay,
AC
DC, Aisha, DC is anything you use battery with is DC. Anything you don't use battery or you use plug-in directly is AC, right? Do you use, Hamza, I didn't get your answer, Hamza. Okay, Hamza gave the answer. Okay, Mohammed Saqib, sandwich maker. Good answers. Now, this is what for Aisha Aga, this is the answer. Anything that has a plug-in. When I have to plug something in, it is called mains or AC current. All right. Abdullah Patel, what is current?
Sir, current is the flowing of electrons.
Perfect. Wonderful. What is the SI unit? What is the unit of current, Mohammadi? इसको current लग गया. What is it? How much current is it?
Can I tell, please?
Yeah. So when I say what is the weight? You say 20 kg, 50 kg.
Volts.
Volts. Okay. All right. Juwaria, can you see this battery? Battery is what current? AC or DC?
DC.
DC. But do you remember AC and DC both will be used here? Because when you're charging it, when I charge battery, I will use AC. When I use it without the charge, it will use DC. Is that right? So your task for today, I'm not going to take all this. I will do it.
When we get shocked, we are electrocuted.
Electrocuted. All right, interesting. Yes.
There is a company who has made a mobile phone from which we can switch batteries. So if we switch the mobile from here, so the battery comes over here. Like.
Oh, interesting. I think that is fun because earlier we always had mobile phone where batteries. Yeah, Anas, tell me.
Electric eel is a AC or DC?
Oh, very interesting question. What do you think? Does it use electricity outside or inside?
It is DC.
Yes. All right. Anas, I love the answer. I will check once, but yes, it is making a direct current, right?
So can you enable annotation? I want to show you something on your screen.
Okay, hold on. On this screen itself, I'll enable annotation.
On this screen.
Okay, we got only last.
Sir, you see that rechargeable batteries, that charger inside there are two batteries. That charger I also have for video games. So when we remove the battery, so we need to plug it in the charger itself, and we need to attach with the switch. So then the battery is charged, and then it's in the video.
Very interesting. Why did you need to annotate? You can tell me that, right? The very interesting part of it is when you are charging it, it is converting electrical energy into a direct energy. Right, that's sort of thing. Rechargeable batteries are one where chemical reaction can be reversed. So in that, a battery is able to create an electrical current again. But when you stop charging, very interesting rechargeable batteries. By the way, cars are running on batteries also. AC or DC? Which one?
DC.
DC, right? When you see a car battery on the end, Yeah, there is a
No,
car
but
battery
there
out
are
here.
electrical cars
Yes,
also.
the
There are
electrical cars
There are
also.
some electrical
I'm
cars
going to,
also.
absolutely. So I'm going to give you a task at the end of the day again. This will be your assignment for today, right? Before our last class on Friday, you have to make 5, not 2, when you already did, right? A electrical AC one and a DC one. So now not non-electrical appliances. I want all electrical appliances, but one which is AC, one which is DC, and another common one which are both AC and DC. For example, I give an idea of alarm clock. Remember that do you have Azan clock in your house? An Azan clock can be charged also and can use battery also, correct? Or a rechargeable torch, or a mobile phone, which is both AC and DC. So you write 5 main electricity, that is AC current, 5 DC, that is battery electricity, and 5 which are common, both AC and DC. Will you do that as an assignment?
Yes, inshallah.
Done.
Yes.
Next week, this Friday, we're going to do some fun. We're going to go to this haunted house and we can see where all we'll get shocked. There's a game for you on Friday. That is only for Fridays. I'll leave that here. Until then, all of you, all the best. Go, don't get an electric shock, but hope you learn. Anyone who has trouble, you can message me or you can watch the videos again. All right, all the best. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sir,
Bye,
can you
sir.
post this
Assalamu
assignment
alaikum.
on
I
the
will. Yes, walaikum. I will do it immediately.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Remember the previous assignment and this one, you have to do both.
Okay.
The ones
But
that's
I've
not
done
done.
the